This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mike Holloway. Custom Mountain Getaway. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath cabin features a spacious main-level living area with master bedroom, guest bedroom, laundry, great room and kitchen. All of your main living areas are on the main level. Basement has a large family room with a second kitchen, game room, spacious 3rd bedroom and full bath. Spacious main level kitchen has granite countertops, center island with wine fridge and stainless appliances installed in 2021. Great room has a beautiful floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with gas logs, and basement has a gas log stove. Central heating/cooling system is dual fuel for efficiency. Public water, no well, and tankless water heater. Garage is detached 14 by 22 built in 2022, and a separate 12 by 12 storage shed is located at the rear of the house. Backyard is fenced for the dogs, and side yard has a spacious fire pit area. This is a must-see. For more information,